Good morning to all of you. My name is Abhishek Kumar Jaswal. I'm the co-founder of Setcommerce, a e-commerce division of Setcos Technologies Private Limited. Uh, Thank you, Pioneer Forum. Thank you, Malay and team, to give us the opportunity to represent about social ad. Social ads, in the most general form, is the process of creating and deploying a clickable paid ads on social media platform to reach the target audience. Moving further to the topic, I will first introduce more about Setcommerce and what we do. Uh, Let me give you a prelude to the Setcommerce and the ecosystem we have built so far. The E in e-commerce also means to make easy for the clients. And with this vision, we aim to simplify commerce for everyone. Over the years, we have been helping people shift business online and deliver the best commerce experience to the business of all sizes. Let me take you to the masterclass topic, which is understanding social ad for e-commerce, and present some of the fruitful information data that could help your business gain momentum in the present world. The social media landscape is changing incredibly fast. So we need to be open-minded and nimble to keep up with it. With 4.55 billion social media users across the globe, social media platforms have become advocates for brand and businesses, forcing necessary changes in the ecosystem. What that said, it's not the time to push people where you want, but to meet them where they are. And to do so, social ad is a tool. You all must be a little familiar with this, but we will uncover a lot more here. Social ads are the hyper direct way to reach the new as well as returning audience. Among hundreds of marketing strategies, social advertising focus on user intent, interaction to the highly relevant and reliable content for building future customers and fans. Uh, you understand like what are the social ads? Now we need to understand what channel should you prefer for your industry because there are lots of social channel available right now. The social media continues to be a powerful marketing tools for the brands, and yet almost half of the advertisers say that the biggest challenge they face is choosing an appropriate social media channels that support their organization's goals. Not all social media channel reach the same people or deliver the same results. So we have broken down each channel by industry type and recent users statistics to make your selection as easy as possible. So you can see over here, it's like we mentioned Facebook and what type of industries it is suitable for. Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and the latest one is TikTok. So it's very important to understand what type of social channel will be best suited for your organization. As soon as you figure it out, which platform works for you,
हाँ भाई.
it is crucial to access how social ads ignite business growth. Apart from the other digital advertising methods, which primarily include SEO, search engine marketing, social media advertising turns out to be a budget friendly strategy to create brand awareness and deliver increased return of investment, thus making it a perfect pick for small and medium sized businesses. Here, the key factors that, if you used appropriately, will surely help you to create a long lasting impression and boost conversions. Deliver a uniform message to create a brand recognition. Connect with your audience through social listening. With ads funnel, get the most out of your marketing efforts. Redefine your targeting by leveraging custom and lookalike audiences. Drift interactive ads format to maximize customer experiences, and use real-time data reporting to improvise and increase your return of investment. So it's a continuous process. Like you need to measure it and you need to improve it. So like I said it before, there are the lots of channels. You allocate a specific fund to those channel who are suitable for your business, and then find it out like improvise it and how to make sure that to invest on the right place to get the right profit. Uh, but it's half done only. With this, the success of any ads campaign lies in how well you prepare for it. While you are advertising across social media, it's crucial to know the channel policies, prerequisites on the strategic grounds, because you don't want to create an ad and it may be get blocked over there or something like that. There are the different policies and the strategies which we need to follow. So these are the things, like choose the at the starting only, like choose the right objective for your campaign, moving through a checklist of ad compliance policies. That is very important part. I have seen lots of businesses ads getting rejected at a time period. Okay, so proper setting up tracking code, that is the technical term, but you need to make sure that you set up it properly, picking up the correct audience beforehand, developing a proper advertising strategy. So that is where you if you build something um, specific and you manage it in a proper way, it will give you a best results. Now I will come to the section, like from the starting I try to say like how a social ad will give you a boost in your e-commerce business, and how you choose the right social channel, and how you'll make sure that those social channel you utilize through the proper way, and 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 get maximum benefit from over there. So that is all the processes. Now the thing is like the social media world is evolving at a faster rate than ever. Every new feature keeps on getting more immersive, dynamic, and with newer capability. It's time for business to start adopting to the ring. Over the past couple of years, as advertising channel have grown up, the advertisers now have the ability to let their customer check out on their platform itself, which is in the technical term is like social commerce, in-app checkout. Some of the popular social commerce which might be you are already aware, like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest, TikTok, letting their user stick with the app while fulfilling the advertising purpose. So you understand like the why social ad is important for the e-commerce, because it's not only like helping you in the discovery phase, it help you to get it executed finally, because they are having an in-app checkout system. So that is very important to get a lead and convert it over there. So that is the latest trends which are coming in that section, and being a merchant, people should ready for it. uh, After that I will come to the our app, like how we connect e-commerce to the different social channels, and how we help them to get it things automated way. So I will pick one of our app, which is Facebook and Instagram shopping, and I will explain what we are doing with that and what we are bringing to our merchants. um, Blending social media with commerce. Sit Commerce is launching the Facebook ads feature in our Facebook and Instagram shopping app solution for Shopify merchants. We have solution for the different e-commerce platform. This one is the latest one, and we build it free for Shopify. At the launch of Facebook Shop in 2020, Sit Commerce became one of the preferred business partner of Facebook, enabling online retailer to surface their product on Facebook commerce platforms and delivers instant checkout within the app. With the latest update release, the app will now be equipped with the Facebook ads feature, helping retailers set up, manage, and control the ads across their pages, shop, and marketplaces. So this is particular one of our app, and we have more than 10 to 15 apps which connect e-commerce to the social channels. Now I'll come to the how set commerce help you to like in this particular strategy, social ads related strategy, uh, inspiring business to produce high quality sales and improve return of investment through various marketing measure and tactics. Set commerce pioneer the smart and the rational marketing team, redefining your social success to many folds. Our social media expert can help you to understand the buyer persona for your brand, determine which social media works the best for you, undermine your competitors with a better strategy, build a long lasting connection with the audience, analyze your current presence, and aim for the better. So that's it, like what we can do for you. uh, so like I am sure that you enjoyed the session. If you have any question regarding how social ads are booming into the social commerce, or how your business can connect with specific social channels, so we are here right now. You try to connect with us. um, Thank you so much for being with me all this time.